Okay, indented block errors. That's what I've been faced with. I've been messing around with this code and always the same thing. I check everything's correct and still I get these errors, expected and indented block. I had this problem going on a few weeks and it's always the same thing. I check everything seems correct. So if I run that in the module, and there we are, syntax error, expected and indented block. Okay, looked it up, figured it out. My code was correct. So here I've got for I in range. After that, we need to have 4 tab spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, all of them are down the same position. That's because I've done it yesterday. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Python reads and expects an indented block there. So after a code like for I in range, there has to be 4 tab space before each line of code. So now run the module. Okay, so I've got to save it every little change, and it just ran in the module then. So it should go to the next line, which is web browser open. That's running automatically. Oops. I just tried coming out of it. Right. It's failed. That failed because I moved the cursor, broke the code. But that was running. That's running perfectly well. There must be a space of 4 tabs before each code after for I in range. Probably the same for other codes. So if you get in that code, that syntax error, make sure the spaces are all the same, and that should work.